Hello class 5, welcome to your science online class. We have already started the chapter environment, and in last video we have seen that what is ecology, who are called ecologists, and what is our environment. And we have learned that environment consists of both living and non-living creatures and their interdependence. And ecology is the study of the living creatures, and the scientists, those who are researching, those who are doing the work, they are called ecologists. So this much we have done in the last video. Today we are going to start with the environmental problem, page 129. We can alter our environment to suit our needs. See, in the last video I was discussing that whenever some changes occurs in our environment, we change according to the need of the environment. When we are feeling cold, we are wearing woolen garments. When we are feeling hot, we are wearing cotton clothes. And whenever it is heavily raining or it is scorching heat, we are using sun umbrella. Like that, we always alter ourselves according to the need and requirement of the environment. Altering the environment can also sometimes seriously damage it. Now, as you know, we are changing our environment according to our own need, and sometimes it is becoming very much harmful for us without our knowing, and even after knowing, sometimes we are doing mistakes and we are creating some problems in our environment. We alter the environment by different factors. Now we are going to read that. Number one, cutting down forests to make spaces for cities and farms. See, this is a very common problem, you know, in large city areas, or especially in rural areas. Over there, number of forests and plain lands are cut. The trees are being cut off due to making some industries or factories or farms, or maybe shopping malls or big apartments like multiplex, etc. Now we need our entertainment, okay, but for that reason we are destroying our own nature, we are destroying our own health issues, isn't it? Because we know the trees are the only source of providing us with oxygen. Now in our society, lots and lots of pollutions are there, and with the help of tree we can reduce the problem of air pollution, isn't it? But as we are, and moreover we also know, I think you have read it in geography, that due to the trees in the forest region, maximum rainfalls can be seen. So if forests are cut and it will be reduced, then rainfall will also reduce in its amount, and which can cause drought, isn't it? So we have to be very careful about it. Hunting animals, for second point, hunting animals for clothing and cosmetics. Now see, hunting animals is equally, now it is banned, but no, the person, those who are doing this illegal works, they do not bother about the decisions which our government is providing, but still they are doing. And you know, with the help of this different types of leather of skin of different animals, leather materials are being made, isn't it? Leather bags, leather belt, leather pen, leather different types of jackets and woolen garments are made with the help of the skin of different animals. And you know, different the teeth of an elephant is very expensive, the horn of a deer is very expensive. With the help of them, different types of perfumes are made, and which is very expensive in market. Now if someone will do this sorts of marketing, they will profit a lot, but ultimately they will be caught one day and they will realize that what mistakes they are doing. Next, dumping waste from factories, homes and hospitals into water bodies and soil. Now see, this is also a very big problem. Throwing away, anywhere we are throwing our garbages, we are not seeing that whether there is anyone to clean. Maybe it is in front of our home. Now factories, you know, they are attached with a sea or a river, big factories, which is connected with a big waste pipe through which the dumps and waste and unwanted materials of the factories run towards the river, and it is also very harmful for the river water. And indirectly, when we will proceed the chapter, we will see the water animals are being affected by that. When the dumps and dust and wastes will be mixed up with the water of the sea or the river, the aquatic animals, those who are living in water, they will face the problem, and they will have the problem of drinking healthy water, because they are dependent on drinking water. They live in water, and indirectly it is also affecting the aquatic world, isn't it? Next, releasing smoke and harmful gases from vehicles and factories into atmosphere. If you go through a railway station, railway line, you will see in the side of the railway there are huge grounds, big grounds, and among these grounds you will see big factories with chimneys, and smokes and dust comes out from. It's a continuous process, day to night. The workers, those who work in factories, they used to get shift work because factories never closed. Factories continuously work, and in a day multiple amount of gases they used to produce, which spread all over the atmosphere, and which is very bad to inhale. As we know, it is very important to get inhale fresh air, but due to the release of smoke and dust from the chimneys of factories and vehicles, this is affecting our air. These activities have harmed the atmosphere by polluting air, water, and land. So different sorts of activities which, see, the factories work we are doing, the damages to the animal world we are doing, dumping garbages we are doing, cutting tree, that is also done by us. So all the activities which we are doing by ourselves only, but indirectly it is affecting us. These activities have harmed the atmosphere by polluting air, water, and land, eroding soil as well, warming the atmosphere, and causing extinction of several kinds of animals and plants. And due to our see, if we remove forest, what will happen? The forest animals will lose their home, and they will shift to somewhere else, because they also have to survive. Again, in aquatic land, in water land, if we waste the water, if they will die, they will be in extinction. The same thing is the problem is occurring in case of soil, land, and water. So today, this is all about today. In the next video, third part, we are going to start with different types of pollution. Thank you so much.